Hey friends, thanks for joining today. Welcome back. Randall here with Cooking Under Pressure. This is our first recipe for 2021. We're following up the video we just did that included 5 top tips for Instapot beginners. And today, this is a great recipe if you are a beginner with your pressure cooker or Instapot. It is perfect hard-boiled eggs. If you need to prep them for the week, if you're making some deviled eggs, this is an awesome recipe. Super easy, super quick. Can't wait to share it with you in the video coming up next. Okay, you can see we already have this set up and raring to go. I'm using my favorite trivet, this silicone trivet. It's actually linked in the video description below if you're interested in getting it. I bought this on Amazon. But I've got 7 eggs in here, and you can pile as many as you want in there. Of course, there's a risk of cracking, but I'm doing 7 eggs. I'm doing meal prep for the week, so I'm putting 7 eggs in there, and this silicone trivet really keeps them from cracking. It separates them. You can put in any size egg that you like. So I've got a 6-quart Instapot. I'm putting in 1 cup of just cold water. That's all you need to put in. And that's it. Close it up. We'll set the timer. I'll explain how long we're going to cook these eggs. And it's that simple. So I'm using my Instapot Duo Evo Plus 6-quart, and I've just hit the pressure cook button. I have an egg function that I can just click on, set up for 5 minutes, and I hit the start button. The cook time for perfect hard-boiled eggs is 5 minutes to cook. And then we're going to do a 5-minute lapse time, and then a 10-minute beautiful, soothing ice bath. So we're going to do a high 5, high 10, and you will have perfect hard-boiled eggs. 5, 5, and 10. Our first cocktail of 2021 is a cocktail that is antifreeze free. There is no alcohol in this one. We're going dry January, trying to be healthy, drinking a lot of water at the beginning of this year. So I've added a little twist to this water that I like to drink during the day. So we're just going to add a couple of cucumbers, sliced cucumbers, and I just muddle them on the bottom with a larger spoon. Just get some flavor out of those cucumbers. I take half a lemon and always squeeze it with the cut part at the top, and that way your seeds won't go in, which some people don't know. And you've got some nice juice in there, so we don't have any seeds. Throw in some ice, add your water. Oh, you can already see how refreshing this cocktail is going to be. And for a little splash, we've got no calories here in our Fresca. You've seen me do quite a few Fresca cocktails. Stir that up. Healthy, refreshing. I'm doing some intermittent fasting right now. I don't believe this will break my fast. Oh, so refreshing. You could drink this all day long. You don't have to add the Fresca. You don't have to add the cucumber if you just want to do lemon, or just try to drink as much water as possible. That's my recommendation. You will definitely be a lot healthier going into 2021. Enjoy this cocktail of the day. Welcome back. Okay, we did a 5-minute cook time, a 5-minute lapse time, or let the pressure release naturally from your Instapot or pressure cooker. So at this point, you want to do a quick release, but my pressure indicator already dropped, so I don't have any more pressure in there. But if your pressure indicator does not drop, then make sure you do a quick release. Remember, it's always about safety. So we will put a towel on there, open this up, take a look at these eggs. Fantastic, none of them cracked. Occasionally 1 or 2 will crack, sometimes just like on the stove. Now let's take these over to the sink, give them a nice ice bath for 10 minutes, and then we'll be ready to cut into these beautiful, perfect hard-boiled eggs. So we'll just put it right under the sink, fill it up with cold water, put some, give it a nice ice bath. Reminds me of when I was in Japan. They had a really cool festival where they, at the beginning of the year for New Year, they would jump in a huge ice bath as a festival to cleanse their souls and to have luck for the year. No thanks for me. I wasn't part of that, but here you go. The ice bath, we're going to let that sit 10 minutes and then we will have perfect hard-boiled eggs. Okay, we brought the pot back over here. We're going to grab one of these eggs after the beautiful ice bath and take the shell off and cut into, see how perfect these eggs are. Take out one of the eggs, and what I do is I just tap the ends and just put it on a plate or a table. You can hear gently roll. Just like when I try to take off the rinds of my garlic, and I put it in my little roller just like this. Very similar, nice and gentle, and you'll see how that cracks, and then you can easily look at how perfectly that comes off, almost in one piece. We almost got that in one piece. And take off a couple of those other little shells. We'll make a cut here. And look at how perfect this is. No overcooking there, folks. Look at that. Beautiful hard-boiled eggs. So there you have it, friends. Perfect hard-boiled eggs. You can't go wrong. Super easy, super quick. If you're making hard-boiled eggs for the week, or if you're making for your salad, maybe some deviled eggs. My wife makes some unbelievable jalapeno bacon deviled eggs. They're fantastic. This is the perfect, probably the most convenient and easiest way to make a lot of hard-boiled eggs. Thanks for joining today. You know, I always appreciate you watching and commenting on the videos. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, and if you can, click on the notification bell and we'll get you all of our updated videos. 2021 is going to be a great year. We're going to have some fantastic recipes for you in the new year. Always look out for one another. Take care of yourself, watch your health, and as always, if you ain't cooking under pressure, you ain't cooking. We'll see you in the next video.